Okay, so today's lesson we are going to subtract fractions. So similar to adding fractions, except we are subtracting, and then that borrow one that we did on last week on Monday, it will come into play with this. So that's why I said it will make more sense when we look at a problem. Okay, so for subtracting fractions, you must have common denominator. So to do that, we change the numerator and denominator by multiplying by the same number. Okay, so we have 3 and 8, so we'll multiply those together, which is 24. Okay, so 3 times 8 will give us 24, so do the same thing to the top. So 8 times 2 is 16. And then on the other side, again, 8 times 3, do the same thing at the top, 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay, then the next part, we're going to subtract the numerators, which are our top numbers, and keep the denominators. So 16 minus 9 is 7 over 24. And then the last step is to simplify if possible, and we cannot simplify 7 over 24, so that is our final answer. Okay, so now with mixed numbers. This is where the borrow one comes in. So first up again, must have common denominators. So we'll do that first. So 9 times 6 is 54. So we'll do 5 times 9, which is 45. So we have 1 and 45 over 54. And then the other side, we have, again, 54. So times 6 gives us 24. Okay, so with subtracting fractions, first up you have to subtract your numerators first. Those are your top numbers. So 24 minus 45. I cannot subtract that. Okay, this is where the borrow one comes in. So we're going to take 3, reduce it down to become 2. We keep that denominator the same at 54. Remember, we're going to add the top and bottom together. So 24 and 54 makes 78. Write down our other fraction, and so now we're able to subtract. So we're going to subtract the top number 78 minus 45, which gives us 33, I believe. Yes, and then 54, and then we'll do our whole numbers, 2 minus 1. Okay, and then last step is to simplify. I believe we can simplify by 3. Let's see if we can do 3 into 54. I believe so. Yes, we can by 3. So 33 divided by 3 is 11. 54 divided by 3 is 18. And so there is our answer, because we cannot simplify that anymore.